Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this big monster truck for you. It's from New Bright. How much did this cost?
70 something.
The son says it cost about 70 something. I don't know. I've lost track. But anyway, this right here, you open this up right here, you can add some water down in there, and there'll actually be steam coming out. I can't see the hole, but somewhere in front here. So it'll look like it's coming out of the mouth. So I thought I'd let you guys know that, because that's pretty dang cool. What do I think about the power? I think it has plenty of power. It has nice rubber tires, not plastic, not super hard rubber, not super soft, but nice in between, I think. The thing does pop wheelies. If you want to turn in a tight area, it's kind of hard to turn and go where you want to go in short spaces. But if you got long spots you're trying to go, that's fine. That's one thing I will say about it. Pop a wheelie bar right here. Definitely needs that. That's not for looks. That needs that big time. Has lights in there. So yeah, 4-wheel drive.
Can I show them the sounds?
Yeah, show them sounds.
Okay, it's gonna be a little quiet for the video, I think. So, I don't know. Here's the sounds. That sounds.
Okay, well that's pretty cool. Now let's take it for a spin. Lands on its tires.
Pretty quick.
Decent speed for toy grade.
No problem with the grass.
It's just laughing at this grass like it's nothing. There's a back wheelie. There's a front wheelie. Little tippy. Take it through the rocks once.
Alright.
And as you can see, it's turns on a dime. Extremely sharp turn radius on this thing. It turns like a bobcat, a skid steer. 0 to a lawnmower. It's extremely tight turning radius. Goes across the rocks just fine. Let's test the hill.
The hell like it there?
Yeah. It is going up a hill, going up just fine, no lack of power. I think this thing is awesome for a toy grade.
I think this is one of, if not the best, toy grades we have. Would you agree with that?
Yes, this is definitely one of best toy grade RCs we have. Okay. Well, I think you guys get the point of it. Driving around, you want to show them the battery, take them back.
I don't think you'll be able to see the battery because there's a screw in it.
Oh, okay. Well, not mine then.
Unless I think it's under like a thing.
Oh, we'll show you the controller.
This button right here, the exhaust, that controls your that like
Steam.
yeah, what my dad was talking about earlier. And the sounds, that's obvious. This is your turning, the throttle, reverse. Yeah, that's about it.
So, if you guys are looking for a toy monster truck, this is the guy I'd get for sure. Okay, thanks guys. Till next time, keep all seeing.